Are you looking for a roll-up tonneau cover? In this video, I will show you the best roll-up tonneau covers in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the Trusito Truxport Soft Roll-Up. If you're looking for a soft roll-up truck bed cover that is watertight and easy to use at an affordable price, Trusito's Truxport is for you. This cover is made with quality, leather grain black material that is durable and holds up to harsh weather. It sits 1.5 above the truck bed, providing a low-profile appearance that complements your truck. On top of its distinctive good looks, Truxport is paired with dual paddle latches located at each side of the tailgate. To open, simply unlock each latch and roll the cover up to the cab. Its convenient cab buckle keeps the cover rolled up tight and secure while your vehicle is in motion. This roll-up cover does not flap or move when on the highway thanks to its preset tension control system. To keep this cover tight to the cab and looking great all year long, easily adjust the tension manually. The fourth product on the list is the Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up. The Gator ETX Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau cover protects your cargo from the elements when you need it, and allows for full use of your truck bed when you don't. Heavy-duty latching provides enhanced security, and the industrial-strength leather grain vinyl provides a sleek and stylish appearance. The adjustable tension control feature keeps the cover pulled tight in any condition, and the inside mount design allows for full access to stake pocket holes for use with other accessories. The Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover is made in the USA with globally sourced materials and comes backed by a limited lifetime warranty. The third product on the list is the BAK Revolver X2 Hard Rolling. The Revolver X2 aluminum hard rolling truck bed cover made with durable aluminum slats that sit flush with the truck bed for a stylish, low-profile appearance. The Revolver X2 takes security to the next level with its patented rotational locking rails that secure the cover along the entire length of the truck bed. This cover also features cab and side rail seals to help protect cargo against inclement weather. To provide even more security, the RX2 is secured by locking your truck's tailgate, giving you the convenience of a roll-up cover with the security of a hard fold cover. The Revolver X2 hard rolling tonneau opens at either side of the bed via a release cable underneath the cover and is operational with just one hand. The Revolver X2 rolls up tight against the cab without obstructing your rear view window and is secured with an integrated buckle system. The RX2 offers an extra layer of convenience, featuring felt strips underneath the truck bed cover to protect your hand from the aluminum underbelly in extreme temperatures. The second product on the list is the oEdRo Roll-Up. oEdRo's soft roll-up tonneau cover sits on top of the bed rail with a sleek look. Industrial-strength Velcro attaches the tonneau cover to the side rails, keeping it tight and taut, while reducing wear and tear. Dual tailgate paddle latches can be accessed only from the inside when you open the tailgate. Lock your tailgate, and the bed cover is locked. The weather strip will protect the inside of the truck bed and cargo from dust, rain and snow. Installation is easy. Simple clamps on rails and headers require no drilling or other special tools. You can easily secure the side rails to the truck bed. The first product on the list is the Tyger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up. Tyger Auto focus on developing premium aftermarket auto parts that meet or exceed OE quality standards with no hassle. Tyger tonneau cover offers the customized sleek and stylish design with easy no-drill installation. This is a soft rolling and lockable tonneau cover that mounts on top of the truck bed rails. Its sleek design offers up to 13% of gas savings. Made of tear-resistant 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl with aircraft-grade aluminum crossbars. Weathertight sealing protects valuables in your truck bed against extreme sun rays, rain, hail or snow. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.